Passion.
Rhythm.
Art.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, including Northampton, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm 5 miles southwest of Chester, or about 18 miles southeast of Pittsfield, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning area include Worthington, Williamsburg.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey until 2 p.m. At 9:58 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across portions of the warned area. Over 3 inches of rain have fallen in Seabrook Farms and Upper Deerfield Township. Currently, the heaviest was falling across Salem County near the Elmer, all of it in Centerton areas. Earlier this morning, local law enforcement reported highway flooding in Upper Deerfield Township in the vicinity of Route 77. While the storms have ended in some locations, runoff may still be deep enough to cause flooding and force detours. Do not go around cones and barrels. Some locations that will experience flooding include Vineland, Bridgeton, Elmer, Shiloh, Seabrook Farms, Rosenhage, all of it in Centerton. Do not enter or cross flowing water or water of unknown depth. Will experience flooding include Rainbow Canyon, Spring Mountains, Mount Charleston, Mahogany Grove Campground, Mary Jane Falls Campground, Kyle Canyon Campground, Dolan Lake Campground, Fletcher View Campground, McWilliams Campground, Lavo Canyon Campground, Willow Creek Campground, and Hilltop Campground. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
DW is brave.
Girl, DW.
Smart.
What's a career I can succeed in, say, for my next birthday? I don't want to spend the rest of my life sitting here watching the Tibblesy paper.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, until 1:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:17 a.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated continuing rainfall across the warned area. Significant rainfall has already fallen and up to another 1/2 inch is possible over the next 3 hours. Flash flooding will become increasingly likely. Some locations that will experience flooding include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Shelbyville, Lewisburg, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Spring Hill, Nolensville, Thompson Station, Fairview, Walter Hill, Rural Hill, Chapel Hill, Cornersville, Wartrace, Eagleville, Bell Buckle, Normandy, and Rouse. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.
A show that will put a smile on everyone's face. Watch Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood today on PBS Kids and anytime on the PBS Kids video app.
Meet Miss O.
Attention agents!
Odd Squad's boss.
Let's shake on it.